So this is how you can fix Telegram not showing nearby people. So the nearby people feature is basically a new feature of Telegram where you can talk to people near you. And as you can see, I don't have this feature with me yet, but I'm just going to tell you how to do it and tell you how to fix it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to settings. And now that we're here, simply scroll down until you can find Telegram at the very bottom because it's letter T and this is alphabetized. So tap on Telegram, and if you see location on here, you're gonna want to turn it off and then turn it back on. But if you don't, then that means you don't have the feature, just like I don't have the feature. But basically what you're gonna want to do is turn your location off and then turn it back on so that it could restart and that could possibly fix your problem. Now the reason why a lot of people don't have this feature is because it's a new feature and they're just trying it out and not everyone will get it, so you're gonna have to wait. If that didn't work, you're just going to want to go on ahead and simply hold Telegram and then tap on Remove App. You're going to want to delete this app and then re-download it. That should clear any bugs that may be causing this problem, and so you're just going to want to sign back in and see if that worked. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you in this video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.